If you're wondering how you can use the LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pro Max, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Measure app. Now for that, just open the app library and from here just search this. Then open the Measure app. Now at the bottom of the screen, just make sure you select Measure. After you have selected Measure, you will be able to use the Measure app to measure objects around you. But before you start, just scan the area around you using your iPhone. After you have scanned the area, a small dot will appear at the center. And from here, you will be able to scan any object. Now for this video, I will measure the size of our iPhone's box. Now just place this center dot at the start of your object. As you can see, this is the start of our object. After you have placed the point at the start of your object, then just tap on the plus icon to mark the start point. Now just drag your iPhone to the end point. As you can see, this is the end point. After you place the center point at the end of your object, now just press the plus icon to mark it. And once you do that, you will measure the object. And as you can see, the length of our iPhone's box is 17 centimeters. Just like that. Also, there are some other apps which use the LiDAR sensor of your iPhone. Like there are some furniture apps which use the LiDAR sensor to scan your room, and you will be able to place objects and furniture in your room using the LiDAR sensor of your iPhone. And this is how you can use the LiDAR sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.